Hey everybody, welcome back. In this guide video, I'll show you how can you download, install and activate Microsoft Office 2024. So in order to download, install and activate Microsoft Office, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. So there are a couple of things you need to make sure before you install it. So in this guide, we'll show you how to install and activate the Office. So you need to follow this step. So for that, I'm going to leave the link on my description box below as well. And once you've actually downloaded, so locate the file and locate the file setup.beat, right click it and choose run as an administrator. Once you select it, so then automatic installation process will begin, which will look something. Then let the installer complete the setup process. This may take several minutes. Just make sure to be patient enough. On the next field, what you have to do is after the installation, you need to activate your Office suite to unlock new features. Field after the installation, you need to activate your Office suite to unlock all features. So open any Office application such as Word, and then a window will appear asking you to accept the license agreement. So click on accept. Once accepted, click on the close button. Next field, what you have to do is in the application, navigate to the bottom left corner and go to the account section. As you go to the account section, then enter the product key you purchased earlier. So then you need to restart the Office application to complete that. This ensures all Office features are updated and fully functional. Now then, you want to return to the account section to verify that your Office. So this is the simplest way you could install it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.